Welcome to the mining news on Commodity TV. Today with Aurania Resources, Discovery Silver, Sibanye Stillwater and Denarius Silver. Aurania Resources identified a new epithermal target with associated gold enrichment in soil over an area of 0.67 square kilometers near the Curiawi target in the Lost Cities Kutuku project area in southeastern Ecuador. Cinder blocks and outcrops were found in an area approximately 1 kilometer long on La Torre Sea, located immediately north of the Curiawi target. Soil samples returned gold values of up to 0.56 grams gold per ton in close proximity to the sinter at La Torre Sea. Mobile MT geophysical data indicates that a conductive zone underlies the sinter area, which may be due to sulfides in an epithermal system. Drill programs in the Zenken and Tiria Shimpia areas continue to advance. The gold enrichment is significant, and it appears that La Torre Sea is part of the same epithermal system as Curiawi, where other relict sinter terraces have been found. We are excited to see how Aurania puts this all together and continue to believe that Aurania is on the trail of an enormous resource. Discovery Silver announced encouraging results from recent drill holes in support of the new resource estimate for the Cordero Silver project. The resource update is expected to be completed towards the end of this quarter, followed by an updated PEA in Q4 2021. Expectations were significantly exceeded, particularly with respect to the size and scalability of the project and excellent margin potential. The project risk was again significantly reduced by 91,000 meters in 223 drill holes drilled. We are now looking forward to the resource estimate and subsequent the pre-economic study PEA. An absolute highlight was 217 meters averaging 194 grams silver equivalent per ton from only 39 meters. Another drill hole showed over 25 meters averaging 404 grams silver equivalent per ton. Discovery Silver is cheap and one of the best silver developers in the world. Sibanye Stillwater again announced record financials per 30th June 2021. Net income attributable to shareholders is $1.7 billion. Record adjusted free cash flow is $1.2 billion, an increase of 59%. Very importantly, the interim dividend will be over 77 US cents per ADR, or around 19 US cents per share. Including share buybacks, this comes to a dividend yield of over 10%. At the end of August, the company's debt was only around $350 million. Around $700 million was spent on share buybacks. We are also extremely positive about the purchase of the nickel processing plant in Le Havre from Eramet, which will then also work as a battery recycling plant. Sibanye Stillwater is the first choice and should not be missing from any portfolio. We expect further attractive dividends and share buybacks. Denarius Silver announced an update on the last quarter. Good progress has been made since the acquisition of the Lomero project 4 months ago. The necessary permits have been obtained for the drill program, which will start in September. The drilling contractor is mobilizing equipment and personnel to site to complete the preparatory work. The initial drill program is to validate some selected historical drilling within the existing mine, and then infill drilling will be carried out at 50 meters by 50 meters intervals to the lower levels of the same mine. The initial intention is to drill approximately 81 holes totaling over 23,500 meters. Denarius is fully funded for the upcoming exploration programs, as it has over $21 million cash on hand. The Lomero project is a polymetallic deposit on the Spanish side of the prolific copper-rich Iberian Pyrite Belt, with a historical estimate in the suspected resource category of nearly 21 million tons of over 3 grams gold per ton, over 62 grams silver, 0.9% copper, 0.85% lead, and over 3% zinc, which remains open at depths and along strike. The 2021 infill and exploration drilling program at the Guya Antigua project commenced in early July, with a drill rig targeting shoots of mineralization in the vicinity of the historic Guya Antigua mine near Gran Colombia Segovia project in Colombia. The company currently has 205 million common shares issued and outstanding with a strong shareholder base. Approximately 27% is owned by Gran Colombia Gold and 19% is owned by King Street Capital. Denarius Silver is an undiscovered gem in the exploration sector and one to watch really. Please note the disclaimer that is superimposed. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.